Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Five of Wands, Five of Swords in reverse, and Ace of Swords in reverse. So, in your situation, Pisces, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are facing a lot of struggles, guys. You are working hard, you are fighting, trying your best. Maybe you have a stiff competition in your work and you are working towards that. And if it is in your work situation, you are in a good position, guys. You are the one who is successful, or you are the one who will succeed, and things are very positive for you in your work situation. But you are working hard, trying your best, putting lot of efforts in your situation, guys. And maybe in your it may be in your work or in your relationship, whatever your circumstances are, guys, you are making a lot of efforts today, Pisces. It may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. So you may face some kind of arguments or some delays or suspensions in work, but you are someone who is relentless and you are trying your best, putting your best skills and talents to work, trying your best, using all your skills and talents and working with concentration and trying your best in your relationship. So that is what is taking you towards success, guys. And maybe for some of you, the troubles in this relationship, it may be your own making, maybe your behavior or your words, the words you speak, that may be the reason for troubles in this relationship. So this may be your energy towards this person, guys, or their energy towards this relationship. So they are speaking certain things or they are behaving in a particular way, that is the reason for troubles. Apart from that, there are no problems in this relationship, guys. It is your own making. That is what I see. Maybe the way they behave, their arrogance, or they are too stressed. Maybe they have a lot of work pressure. That may be the reason. Or it may be your work pressure because you are really working hard, making a lot of efforts in your work situation. So that may be the reason pushing you, making you really overworked or stressed, emotionally drained. That may be the reason for your behavior, your arrogant behavior or your harsh words. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life. And we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation. knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it, and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal, and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours, and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today, and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true. But you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly, and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.